My friends, this is Dr. B, the best doctor in medicine and also the most handsome doctor in medicine. 30 plus years of clinical experience at high level in medicine. Remember that Dr. B genuinely loves you and genuinely cares about you. Today, Dr. B wants to teach you, to tell you how you can make your own dental dam in order to protect yourself against sexually transmitted diseases, against STDs. Never forget, guys, that you need to have protected sex, protect your mouth when you want to perform cunnilingus or anilingus, when you want to lick the butthole or the vulva of another human being, whether you're a male or you're a female, you need to protect your mouth. Otherwise, you're gonna get nasty STDs, HIV, HPV, chlamydia, gonorrhea, nasty bugs that can contaminate you in your mouth and cause you a lot of headache. Remember, 10 minutes of pleasure, a lifetime of misery, right? So this is what you need to do. You go online or at any store and you buy some nitrile gloves, $5. 100, how much there is in this? Oh, 200. Look at this. I have 200 gloves, $5 in this nitrile glove box, right? You take one nitrile glove, you see it, and you take a sharp pair of scissors. Look at this, sharp pair of scissors. You cut the fingers. You see, I'm going to cut the fingers of the glove. You see this? Then comes the thumb. I'm going to cut it. You cut away the thumb. Then you take the scissors, you split in half the glove. Look at it. I'm going to split it in half. Look at this. There you go. You got your dental dam. This is 100% safe. No viruses, no bacteria, no parasite that can be present in that vagina, vulva, in that butthole that you want to lick for reasons that I don't understand. Actually, I understand. When I was younger and hornier, I used to do that all the time, right? I thought, when you're young, especially when you're a guy, right, full of testosterone, you're young in my 20s, 30s. I used to do that all the time because I had this stuff in my brain. And of course, when you're young, you watch all these porn movies, you see all these actors and actresses doing it. So you think that this is what you need to do, kind of like peer pressure. And you think that woman, I'm heterosexual, but even if you are homosexual, blah, 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 you do it on your partner, to your partner, right? And I thought that women, they care if I lick their butthole, if I lick their vulva and put my tongue deep in their vagina, deep in their butthole. Now that I got older, I'm 50 years young, right? And my testosterone has dropped and I have matured, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, I have lost this drive of putting my tongue in the butthole of a woman in her vagina. And when I look back, obviously I did this kind of stuff, but I'm like, okay, so what was the point of it? What is the point for a human being to go lick the butthole or the vulva of another human being, whether that's a man or a woman, blah, blah, blah. But again, I understand it, but as I got older, I lost that passion and that drive to make me want to put my tongue in the butthole of another human being or in the vagina of another human being. But again, whatever makes you people happy is none of my business and nobody's business. God bless you, whether you're a man, a woman, or anything in between, and you want to put your tongue in the butthole or the vagina of somebody else. God bless you, but make sure that you use a dental dam and then you apply it like that on the butthole or the vulva, and you do whatever the catso you want to do in the privacy of your home. God bless you, right? And you try to go as deep as you want. And then make sure that you throw this away, and then a few minutes later, when you want to do it again, you use another one. This is 100% safe. Please remember that even if you get tested against HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, and your partner gets tested, usually people do not get tested against HPV, human papilloma virus. HPV is the fastest growing sexually transmitted disease. It is infecting men via their penis, their mouth, women via their vagina and their mouth. And in men who perform without using a dental dam to protect their mouth, men who perform cunnilingus, means licking the vagina of a woman, or anilingus, means licking the butthole of a woman or another man, they are at high risk of getting the HPV virus, right? And what does HPV virus does when it goes in your throat over time? It causes mutations in the DNA of your stem cells in the mouth, your tongue, and your throat. And it gives you mouth cancer and throat cancer. Throat cancer, mouth cancer. I posted a video about how to prevent getting mouth cancer and throat cancer. Number 1, stop smoking. Number 2, stop alcohol. Number 3, use dental dam. When you want to lick the vagina of a woman, the vulva, and then put your tongue, or if you want to lick the butthole of a man or a woman, regardless of your gender, you should never, ever, ever put your tongue, your mouth, without any protection over there. Like that you have to do. Do you understand? Now, I have to confess, when I was young and dumb, I had so many sexual partners, whether it's in France, Italy, Spain, Canada, the US. When I came here, I used to have a lot of sex, had a lot of sexual partner, and many times I would just put a condom and never thought about this because I was young, full of testosterone, young and dumb. Even though my medical knowledge was top notch and stuff, when it comes to my gut sexual activity, your brain kind of loses it, and you think, oh, she's a beautiful woman and blah blah blah. It's impossible she's sick, right? I would always check discreetly her vulva, make sure she doesn't have any sores or signs of nasty discharges, blah, 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 right? I would always check, just with an excuse, her veins to make sure she doesn't do injections of drugs and blah, blah, blah. But beautiful ladies, right? But that doesn't mean she doesn't have HPV, right? It's like looking at a handsome man like me. How do you know if I don't have HPV in my semen, right? So you need to be protected. And again, I confess, many times I did not use a dental dam when I was young and stupid and dumb and full of testosterone, right? Now I am wise, less testosterone, more maturity, but I don't see anymore much of the point of performing this kind of act, unless, of course, my sexual partner asks me to do that. But I haven't had a girlfriend for 4 years now. Every once in a while, if I get horny, I call an escort. I do what I have to do, and I don't do this kind of butt licking and cunnilingus, anilingus on these escorts, because you don't know who the katsu she is, where she comes from. She just slept with another guy and 10 other guys during the day or the day before, right? These are, but again, I respect them, right? Prostitution is the oldest profession on earth. I'm not judging. I'm just saying. So please make sure that you protect yourself. You can buy You can buy dental dams online already made, but they are more expensive. It is way cheaper to buy a box of gloves. In addition, you can use these gloves. You get the gloves, you put it you put the glove on your fingers, right? If you want to penetrate digitally the butthole, or the vagina of a woman, or the butthole of a man or a woman, whether you're a man or a woman and you want to put your finger in the butthole or the vagina of a woman, this is what you need to use. So it's better to buy these, cut them to make your own dental dam, and you have at the same time gloves to put fingers in the butthole or in the vagina, and you have gloves to clean your house, your toilet, and blah, blah, blah. So instead of spending way more money to go online and buy pre-made dental dams, why don't you buy a cheap glove? And they come, guess what, with different colors. You can buy them pink. Right? So if you're a woman and you love pink stuff, you buy dental dam in pink, and you have this dental dam in pink to stimulate even more your partner. And you have the same gloves that come transparent, meaning if you want to look at the butthole at the same time that you're licking it, or at the vulva at the same time that you look in it, and that supposedly turns you on, good for you. God bless you. Guys, Dr. B loves you. Make sure you protect yourself. Protect yourself. Do not do just like I did myself for many years when I was in France, Italy, Spain, Canada, and then in the US. Unprotected oral sex. Thank God I didn't catch any nasty bug, but it was the luck of the draw. It's like playing Russian roulette. I love you guys, regardless of your gender, ethnicity, color of your skin, religion, whether you're a man, a woman, anything in between, whether you're black, white, Latino, Mexican, I don't give a catso, religion, this atheist, I don't give a catso. I love you. Put your question down there. I promise I will get back to you as soon as I have the time in my beautiful but busy life. May God bless you all. Khop kun na krap, sawadee krap, as they say in the Thai language that I'm learning. And I hope to talk to you next time. Bye-bye.